Nick Wardle from the Body Transformation Centre in Loughborough. We're really excited to announce that we're opening up spaces on our exclusive 6-week Body Transformation Challenge. So if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're a little bit overweight, you probably gained a bit of fat around the areas you don't want to, maybe you've just not given yourself any time to look after your own health, maybe you've been too busy at work and putting your career first, or your business first, or your children first, and you basically let yourself go a little. Maybe you're not in the same shape as you were when you were in your 20s, okay? And now you're realising you need to do something. Ultimately, a lot of people need to invest in their health and invest in themselves. So, this program, this 6-week exclusive Body Transformation Challenge, could be for you. What it involves is training 2 to 3 training sessions a week at our exclusive Body Transformation Centre that's in the heart of Loughborough. It will mean taking some advice on some nutrition and mindset from us and following those guides. Now, the best part about all of this, what will you get from it? Hopefully, it will help you lose some body weight. It should help you lose some body fat. You should improve in your confidence. There's a good possibility you may become less stressed. But ultimately, you're going to gain some new friends and a new love for the gym. Because we're going to teach you the exact steps you need to make it long-term lasting change. Okay? Now, if you want to get involved with our exclusive Body Transformation Challenge for the next 6 weeks, for our next intake, then what you need to do is apply on the form below and then tell us why you want to work with us. Okay? And we'll help you get amazing results. All you need to do is invest in you. So hopefully you're going to become one of our members and we'll see you very soon. Take care. That's Nick from the Body Transformation Centre.